Hey, what's up guys? It's Kevin with LumpiaLife. Hey, it is April 14th, 2020 here in the Philippines. April 13th back at home, and it's my daughter's 26th birthday, so big shout out to my daughter. Happy 26th. Can't believe I have a 26 and a 27-year-old back at home, but my adult kids growing up. But just wanted to touch base with you guys. Haven't really done a video for a while. Been in lockdown for, I don't know, maybe April 16, I believe. April 16th. Yeah, no, March 16. January, February, March 16. And it's April 14 now, so almost a full month. Literally haven't been going out of the house, at least into town. We do go out to the sorry stores around us just to grab, snacks or whatever. Before we were buying beer, but they stopped the sale of alcohol, so no buying the Tandawai or the Red Horse or the San Mig anymore until this all clears up. We did receive some quarantine passes, and that allows us to go outside of our barangay, our village, to go buy groceries or whatever, and they just want really just one person going per family. So Mary Lou, she's gone out a couple times to buy groceries for us. We're pretty well equipped, but we eat meat every night, so the freezer's starting to get a little low, so we will have to go do some grocery shopping here soon. But as far as, if we got in total lockdown, we could survive. We've got plenty of water, so we're doing good. But what else can I tell you? We bought plane tickets to go home May 31st on EVA Airlines. I guess they're out of Taiwan, I believe, that airline. But last week, I booked that maybe 2 weeks ago, and then last week I got a text message saying that the flight has been canceled. So I think we're just gonna wait it out until things open, and we hear people flying, and because I don't think now's a good time, and I haven't requested for the refund yet or made a change. I'll probably just request a refund because I don't know. I want the money rather than waiting for the airlines, because it might take airlines different times to open up. So sorry about that. Yeah, so that flight was canceled. Can't fly out. We are in Mindanao, so basically all domestic flights have stopped. I was able to book a flight in May, Butuan to Manila, and on Cebu Pacific, and we did book that, but I'm gonna give it a few weeks before we make any changes or ask for a refund on that, just because it's all up in the air right now until we get an okay to get out of here. What else can I tell you? I've been doing some aerobics to try to stay in shape. I found this video, Fit Over 50. It's a pretty good workout. It's 20 minutes of aerobics, keeps the heart pumping and things like that. I got some sad news to tell you. My biological father, most of you know I'm adopted. and I found my biological family back in 2009. I do have a video on a reunion, but found out yesterday my dad was diagnosed with COVID-19. So if you could pause for a moment, say a quick prayer, I'm sure he would appreciate that. And we're praying for a full recovery for my dad. We have a ton of family and a ton of friends that are praying for him, and you know, a lot of people are recovering from this, so we hope the best for my dad. So, and it's horrible that we have to be here. That's another reason why I want to get home, is just during this time of uncertainty, much rather be closer to family. So anyway, sorry to bum you out there at the end, but I really hope that everybody is you know, being safe out there, taking precaution, doing everything that they're telling you, staying home for the most part. You know, I also want to give a shout out to my son and my daughter. We had a Facebook video chat because it was my daughter's birthday, and that was a lot of fun. So if you didn't know that, but Facebook Messenger, you know, there's a lot of posting about Zoom meetings, but you can do the same on Facebook. So we just everybody, I called into my son, and then we called my daughter, so there's 3 of us on the screen, as you can see right here. But yeah, that was a good time. And both of them are essential workers, my son and my daughter. My son is a manager at a Target, which is like a retail store in the U.S., and he's been getting a ton of hours. So some overtime, just because, you know, there's people that are calling out sick, and they're staying open for you all. So I just try to tell him to be as safe as possible and keep the distance and do whatever you can. But one thing that he gets a little irritated about is people that are just going out to waste time. I know it's tough. For me, myself, feels like I'm in prison, you know? Only thing I see are these 4 walls, and it drives me nuts. I want to get out there. I want to see. I want to explore. I'm in the Philippines. So people that are going to the stores just to waste some time, you know, it's not very healthy for the people that have to work there. So take that into consideration, and just try to limit your in and out of a store. That's just my 2 cents. I do what you want, but if I was there, I would try to respect the rules and try to social distance, as we have been here. Also, my daughter, she works at a factory that makes the cardboard for the toilet paper, so shout out to her. So, you know, that's the essential things that we need, right? Toilet paper. But anyway, what a crazy time. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how we're doing. We're doing fine, Maria and I. Like I said, we haven't been going out doing too much of anything. We are watching Lock and Key now on Netflix, which is a pretty good series. So if you're looking for something to watch, try that out. I would say it's kind of like a Stranger Things type, kind of, you know, young kids in high school. It's pretty fun. It's, you know, got action and magic and stuff like that. Lock and Key, Netflix. Also, Sling TV. They have some deal going on right now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but we have a VPN. I bought a VPN long time ago, so I can put that on. I put that on the Fire Stick, and I can watch Sling TV over here. It has to be connected to the VPN to a US IP address, but able to watch you know, American channels like Discovery Channel and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Keeps us on the couch, which is very boring. Anyway, I've taken up 10 minutes of your time. I really appreciate you tuning in, checking out our update. Keep you posted once we get a ticket out of here. But you know, we love the Philippines, don't get us wrong, but kind of opens your eyes to everything that's going on. Do you really want to be, I mean, if you didn't have family, I can understand, you know, that's cool. But if you got family, you know, you might take into consideration that if something goes bad, it's not easy. Hang in there, guys. We'll make it, and we will prevail. Take care. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
This song called Baby Blue. She wrote me today that she won't let you stay, that she's only come to see I've worked alone. Baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. Now I need you, now I want you, baby blue. Here we go. I know I must forgive all the good times we had, and I know that I won't find a sexier girl. Baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. Here no more. Now I need you. Now I want you, baby blue. Now I need you. Now I want you, baby blue. Here we go now. Aloha. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.